Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Again, let me show you how to activate and how to boot to Lite Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and choose Lite Mode. Let's enable the Lite Mode by using this switcher. And if you would like to simplify your home screen and menus, let's tap OK and allow the device to reboot into the Lite Mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. Let's unlock the screen, and as you can see, if you have a pin on your SIM card, you have to enter your pin one more time. And let's tap agree. And this is your simplified home screen. This is the Lite Mode. You can use here only some applications such as the gallery, camera, phone, messages, weather, contacts, music, apps, and of course settings. If you would like to quit the Lite Mode, let's choose settings, choose system settings, scroll down in order to find the Lite Mode. Let's disable this mode and tap OK to confirm it. And the Xiaomi is booting now into the normal mode, so you have to wait a few seconds. Excellent. The normal home screen pops up. Now you can use your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.